Felicia.
Yes.
That gave you 2 children. A boy and a girl. You said I'm not useful.
And is that supposed to be a kind of something that you have done that you are praising yourself? Okay, no. That is what you are supposed to do as a woman. Bring forth a child. That is your job. I'm not talking about that one. That's an old tale. I am talking about a woman that I can relate with as a wife. Just look at the woman I'm married. You have become so fat that I don't need anybody like you around me anymore. Of what good? Listen, I have a lot of years ahead of me. I want to live my life.
If you bring another woman into this house, I'm going to kill that person. Mark my word, I will kill that person.
Then you are dead.
Me?
Yes.
Wait, you want to kill me because of another woman? Me, Felicia.
Let me give you one advice.
I'm waiting for that.
Let me give you one advice.
I'm waiting for that.
If this life you are living is still very okay to you, then leave the woman that I want to bring in as my wife. Because if you try anything, you are dead. If you kill her, you are dead.
Let me tell you. Don't take my meekness for weakness. I know my rights. You see this house.
You are meek.
Don't bring that woman.
You are meek.
Don't bring the woman.
You are weak.
I'm waiting for that.
And you are weak. You are stupid.
Let her come. Let her come.
No.
This house.
I will just go to Instagram.
I will not leave.
Famous. That is at it again.
How about now, Meemee? You worry yourself too much. Relax.
Did you hear that Daddy said he was going to marry a new wife?
And so? So we are here. Let him bring the woman now. Let him bring her. We are here. Or has she come? No. So calm down. See, if that brings another woman into this house, see, I will strangle the woman. I will take her breath. I will kill her with my bare hands. I will squeeze her. I will squeeze her.
Now you are talking. Now you are talking, Famous. That means two of us were in the same part.
Of course. Oh, you think I will sit here and watch another woman chance my mother in her husband's house?
Hey.
No.
Famous. Famous. That woman, she better stay where she is, because if she comes to this house, I will kill her. I will kill her.
The way you are going about the killing, it's like you even kill her before she comes.
See, if that woman comes here, if she's putting on any uniform, I will just pieces it. I will pieces it. Oh, she should come.
Don't worry, just calm down. I'll fix this. I'll put things in order. That cannot.
Okay, imagine, Famous Weto, when she comes to this house, where is she going to stay? In my room, because it's only my room that she will stay now. Where is she going to stay?
She's not welcome. There's no space for any extra person.
Hey, Famous, what if Dad has been dating her outside?
That one does not matter now. They can be doing anything outside. You should not just bring her here. That's my own. So they want to date or whatever.
My own is that she should come. No need, let her come. You see that Nicodemus cutlass? That is what I will use to pieces her. I will butcher her. I will kill her. She doesn't know me. Me. That she won't come into. She won't want to destroy my mother's home. She just let her just stay outside though. Famous want her. Just want her.
It's like you have experience in killing.
I don't even know why you're overworking yourself. Internet has made everything very easy. I will just go to Instagram and download the wife that I'm going to bring into this house. It's as simple as that.
You are heartless. What? You are a wicked man.
That is what you will say because you're not in my shoes. I am the one who wears the shoes and I know where the shoe is pinching me. Look at me. Do you know what I've been facing? Do you know what I have been enduring in this house?
What are you doing?
Look at me. Felicia, just look at me. Is this how I used to look? Do I look happy to you? Are you not the one that is heartless here?
This is how you have been looking all these years. This is your real face.
I don't blame you. Because you can't even recognize me. I don't blame you because I can't even recognize myself. My mother gave birth to a vibrant young man. That vibrant young man mistakenly met one Felicia along the road and married her. And that Felicia transformed him to one fool that can't even recognize himself anymore. And now you are standing here telling me this thing. Listen to me. That wife is going to come in here because I need her. She's going to be like a powder that will give me new face. No, is this still me that you used
This is how you have been looking since.
You see?
This is your real face.
This
is your real face.
You see your life? You don't even know me anymore. You can't even recognize me. A socket where I can plug my phone and get it charged. So that the phone is charged fully and then they can do a whole lot of things. You know what I'm talking about? Listen to me. Don't provoke me by kicking against this wife because I will kill you.
You are a wicked man. You are a wicked man. You are very wicked. What? You said that you are managing me. You said that you have been managing
No,
me.
have I been managing?
You have been managing me.
Seriously managing.
Hey.
I've been seriously managing you, and now I have decided not to anymore. Don't even talk about Felicia. Listen, Felicia is not the topic here. The topic here is Cream. Okay?
Okay.
Cream is the topic here. And Cream has had enough of this nonsense. And I'm stepping out now to go and see this girl that I've already seen her address. Don't stop me.
Where you think that you are going? You are not going anywhere. You are not going anywhere. Go and let me see.
Super D.
Go and let me see.
Power Mike. Come on, sit down.
Come back here. You are not going anywhere.
Oh, Felicia.
You are not going anywhere.
Why do you want me to kill you?
Come and leave. Let me see.
Nicodemus. Are you mad?
Leave. Let me see.
You are sitting down there.
Come and leave.
Can't you see this?
Let me see.
I don't know. I'm surprised.
Who is your girl?
Now you.
Every month, to the best of my knowledge, you receive an alert. True or false?
Yeah.
True. From who?
Okay, not from you.
From you.
From me, the paymaster.
Okay.
Who is your guy, right?
Yes, sir.
Grab this hippopotamus.
If you touch me, you are dead. Don't come closer.
What did happen now? What did go happen?
I said grab the hippopotamus that is preventing me from moving.
Come and touch me.
Okay. No, my job, no, to get the gate, get up back.
Now I am giving you a new job.
Let me see you.
The new job is to grab the hippopotamus.
Okay, let's say not possible.
Unless you want to die now.
Nicodemus,
Sir?
Yoga. I'm talking, you're talking.
Come and leave. Let me see.
Before the count of 3, Nicodemus, you're walking.
Oh, famous.
Before the count of 3, Nicodemus, you are walking. 1.
I said
What
she
did
will
go
not
put me for this one now? I suppose they this one.
2.
Hey!
I said she will not touch me.
Nicodemus, walk.
Demus! See, Daddy has gone out to get his new wife, and that stupid Nicodemus is complying with him. Come now!
Where are they now?
Nicodemus was holding mommy like this. Was holding mommy.
So where are they now? Where are they now?
I don't know whether Daddy
Mom, just hold on. Meemee, hold on. See, you cook and go inside. Let me handle this guy. One on one, man to man. Just leave him. Go inside. Let me handle him.
Sorry.
Don't worry. Go. I will handle it. I will handle it for you. One on one, man to man. Meemee, go inside. Leave him to me. Say, small boy, leave him. Leave him.
Go inside.
Yeah, raise up your hand. Who is laughing with you? I say Nidan. Nidan.
You the man. You the fear. You the face. If you see the can't beat away your mama.
Hey, Aso.
You know the can't beat away.
Aso. Is she not supposed to beat you? Is she not supposed to beat you? You're holding my hand. You're holding my hand, Nico. You're holding my hand.
Change that gear. You the man.
My friend.
You the man. What with that?
Hey.
You the man.
Hey.
You the man. This
is how you want it.
This is a rubber.
This is how you want it.
What with that?
Drop the cutlass. Let's do it one on one.
Mami, drop.
Let's do one on one.
What?
Drop it now.
You the man.
Drop it. No, drop it. What is cutlass? Is it today? Go ask of me.
I tell you. I don't have to make me
Keep quiet. Go to the hospital. You see my victims there. Drop cutlass. Let's do it one on one. One on one.
Don't try. Because I need you. Drop. Because I don't hear they want to get me for us, but they insult me. Yeah? Who can I say to work with that? I was just about to
I just come out, open this gate now. Go! Leave my open, carry the key, go. This is idiot. You go out the paper, come now. Now use this thing, I will use that. Hold your head, shape up. Use this thing, shape your head, idiot.
Famous. Ha! I know you must have beaten Nicodemus very well.
Don't mind the idiots. He went and brought out cutlass. But I still finished him.
Hey.
I finished. See, I dealt with him. I was pressing him. He was crying and begging for help. Go and see him now.
Oh, that's good for him. That is good for him. Next time he will not try my brother.
That was why I told you and mommy to go inside. Because I don't want anybody to beg me at all. I don't want anybody to come and plead on his behalf or start feeling pity for him. I finished. I broke his leg.
You are right. If not, me and Mama would have begged you. It's true.
I wouldn't have heard.
You sent us in.
I wouldn't have heard at all. You need to see the way he's respecting me now. He's giving me maximum respect. Because I gave him uppercut. I gave him the way he deserved.
Are you serious?
Nicodemus, small boy.
Me, I'm surprised because Nicodemus is strong.
Strong where? Not where I am. You don't know me. You've
know
not heard my story.
No.
My news is I destroy people. 2 seconds, I destroy. Once I hold any human being, I tear them apart. I can kill a lion. It's not Nicodemus.
That's good. That sets him right. Nicodemus. Famous. What about the new wife? Is that still bringing her?
I beg, leave that one. It's not bringing anybody. Nobody's coming here. You see the way I just beat up Nicodemus? That's how we beat the woman. So for her own good, she should not even come close to this compound because, anyway, it's at her own risk. Because the way I will handle her, the way I will handle the woman.
That means there's no need now. I will not even beat her. It's you that will beat her.
I don't need assistance. Only me. My friends call me the destroyer. Once I destroy, okay. I'm waiting. Let her come.
Okay.
I will face daddy.
Let's wait for her. If you can beat Nicodemus. Now,
ordinary woman.
Is just nonsense.
Or daddy that's already old. What ask of me? You don't know your brother. I have done things you don't know. I've finished people. The destroyer. That's what they call me.
Got no sense. Basically, they here now. They beat them anyhow. Besides, they do my job well. I said, how much? How much did they pay me? They beat me anyhow. You can't rubbish with that. You do the man your job. Somebody will call the beat to the hit. I see the people. Hey, no, respect yourself. And they talk, they come, they go. What's with that? I said respect yourself. Go there. No, see. Gap done there now. Separation there. Oh, and they call you. You know the fair this thing again. You know the fair this thing. This one for this one for. And they tell you, highest I will just come out here.
See, all those things that happen, it has passed now. Remove it from your mind. Just forget about it. Let's move on. You are even supposed to understand my grievances. My father wants to marry a new wife, and you shouldn't support that.
Would they support that?
Okay, think about it this way. If your father marries a new wife, will you like it?
Which father? Which father? The one where they are alive and buried, the one where they die.
What if he marries a new wife in hellfire?
Respect yourself, Just respect. In fact, make I tell you the truth. Make I just tell you the gospel truth. If your father enter this house with another woman, let me say, on our family does scatter. I tell you.
Now. So you should cooperate with us.
Cooperate with it. We're not going to fight every day. Every day, fight. Every night, fight. I'm telling you. What is my own? As a day, and I go just day. They watch you now. No, as I pose like this, no, anybody will see me as I pose like this with cutlass, no side, are they ready for anything? When I go join the fight, they kill myself. I don't go kill. I'm going to watch you. If I like, I'll go separate. If I don't like, I go live when I watch you now. If I tire, I go just come out. Live when I make when I kill myself, break when I head. When that one don't have to finish, when I don't tire, say I don't tire for this house, I go come out, I go carry my property. Which property? Okay, I get property. I go come out myself for this house, come out here. Come go find one big man who get better money, come to work for them. And they tell you, like say, I don't work like 2 or 3 weeks, man will beg me. It no be first day here, and they come with the Nicodemus, or the gamer they call name anyhow. If I come out here, I go change my name to Nico. The man go respect me. He call me, he just call me, Nico, please, come marry my only daughter. He go beg me, make I marry his only daughter. And if I marry that in only daughter, you know what that one mean? You don't know. You don't go know. Make I tell you what it mean. When I don't marry the daughter like 2 to 3 years, the man go die. Come see me get, I go inherit everything what the man get in house, in estate, in company. I dey tell you. But then I be your guy. But then I'll come to look forget man. Maybe that time when your house, your family don't scatter.
It's your family that will scatter.
Your family. And they tell you what to go happen, and it go happen. It go happen. Your family go scatter, but then you go come to look for job. You know, I go pity you, give you the work, pay you well. No be this nonsense where your papa they talk. I dey here. I'm your master. They receive a lot. He dey say, I tell you, yeah, a lot. If I open mouth tell you the alert where this man they open the mouth they talk, you go faint. 3,000 naira. Now your papa they open mouth. Open a lot. Yeah, they receive a lot. I go pay you 6,000. I tell you, I go double. I pay you 6,000 naira. See, what it make myself now? What it make my mission never complete for where Meemee there because of you? We tell the target for where Meemee there. Now you be the blockage, the block up. I tell you, so don't kill you. I don't plan them. When I don't plan, I kill you. You die, come out. Your papa go use that heart attack, die. Your mama no get option. That marry Meemee. My plan is to very soon I go kill you. I go just poison you. As you dey here now, I know what you go kill you. You know, they busy. If you actually sleep, I will just carry this shaving powder pour you for head. You wake up, do your hair go down smooth, but you die.
Nico, please, I want to beg you for something.
You won't beg me for something?
Yes.
Something what if you do?
Yes, you should.
What if you do?
You can do it.
No be money, oh.
No. I want to beg you to be on my family's side, like my mom, me, and Famous. Please, now that my daddy wants to go and get a new wife, I want you to fight the battle with us.
Now you won't beg me?
Yes.
If I don't support our family, your mama and my mama, oh. Your papa and my papa, who I go support?
As if to fight the new wife.
Yes. See, no, but as I dey here now, to bring another woman here, it is to chop bread and drink coke.
Yeah. See it.
No.
So you're on our side.
I dey on our side now.
Thank you.
But I tell you, Meemee.
Thank you.
No, Meemee. Meemee, I tell you something. See, I like you well, oh. I tell you, I like you. Nothing one will feed do for you for this house. As far as this house is there, forget this way they happen, oh. And the only thing with the investment, anything you have, you go support them. Let's say me and you know there. I like you, I know say you like me. The only thing we make our likeness never go deep because I never enter.
Enter where?
Don't worry. By the time we go deep, we will know where they enter.
Nico, please, I only came out here to beg you for something, and since you're on our side, I'm okay.
See, me become now. Hey. Make I tell you, see as I did now, forget say you see me here now. Love me when I dey poor. Love me now when I dey poor. Not be when I go dey rich now, you go begin claim relationship. That time we say I go don't get money. See, make I tell you, see all this money where your papa they give me. If you say you go green now, for say make go my side, talk the same way. No. That idiot from the other side. No, please.
Talk what?
This is what I want to tell you now. Where? See, may I tell you? See, may no verse. May I tell you? It's all this money where your papa they give you all this while. All this money where your papa since you know how many years why I don't dey here. I never come out 1 naira. I tell you.
And so?
Shh. Never come out. You dey there.
So what do you want me to do?
What make me tell you now? Because if your papa carry that woman and come. You know, say, all those things where Papa they no be clear eye, they do them. You don't drink, they drink, they smoke.
My daddy does not drink.
Ah, if you want drink, he'll call you. If you want smoke, he'll call you. That man does. If he, you know, they hear when they say, Nicodemus. See that, you call your mama hippopotamus. And they tell you, you go no say no be clear eye, take talk that day. If you see eye, they red. Now me no you don't smoke, who see go when who easy. Who see go bo.
Nicodemus, don't brainwash me. My daddy does not smoke.
I they tell you, come on.
Nicodemus, leave me alone now.
You know what make me they talk this thing?
What?
If you carry that woman come, no problem. Oh.
That's why I want you to fight with us now.
Now the thing,
Hey, leave the fight. We'll fight it together, please.
I'm not gonna fight. Oh, see, come, me. See, people who won't help. Hey, oh, this girl. But no problem. I pray make Oka can come. But I know say when Oka call opportunity will day. Ta. You saw this way they do para. This way which they do back. By the time the wahala go enter. Before you know say what they have, I don't enter. Wait. Are they hear where Papa they say socket, charge. And you could be my socket. Will plug you charge. Will charge you well. No one's like you. Just they talk like they don't. Meemee, you are my socket. I go plug my charger. Meemee, now the matter is. You don't know where your leg they vibrate. You know go inside. Famous. I don't know again. See, I trust your Papa. You say yeah, they here say they wait for her, make the new wife enter. What if you can't enter here and I can't carry Iba? All those women with the big. You go fight them. No, you go fight them.
I'll just beat her.
We just beat her with which hand?
My hand now.
Which one?
Look at my hand. I will beat her. I will pieces her. Nico, so you are accusing me that I cannot beat the woman. But you, let me tell you, Famous told me that he beats you earlier today.
Are you serious?
Mm-hmm.
Enya? Now the two tell her.
Yes, now.
So you beat me. Now God, in fact, God don't punish you too much.
God will not punish you. He beats you.
Now Satan, I will punish you. You open mouth. You open this mouth.
Oh.
You open this mouth.
Oh.
This
So
mouth.
me and my brother, we are up to the tax. Any woman that crosses these gates,
Don't go.
finish it.
Now you go end now. See that result. You clear now. Don't be afraid.
Yes. We are not scared. Let her come.
You can almost show you. Nicodemus,
Sir?
if you open this door, you will see a small bag. Carry the bag inside and then put this car in order. Wash it. I am going to club.
Wow. Where do you think that you are going to? Where?
Hey, Felicia, please listen.
I'm not
No. You're talking to my Instagram spec.
Hey.
She's here to stay. I have already married her, so don't provoke me.
So Daddy, you brought a girl from Instagram. No wonder she's looking like that.
No, where are you going? Stand inside this house. Come and enter. My friend,
My friend.
Felicia, you are not pushing.
Is my house. Go. Get out. Let me see your 2 left legs here.
Hey!
Hey, see my baby.
Hey! Now who is paying the money? Am I the one paying the money?
And so what?
The woman that is calling me baby is the one you just chased away?
Baby. Baby boy.
Have you called me baby before?
At your
Have
age.
you called me baby before?
At your age, you want to answer baby? Baby.
Listen, both of you.
Go bring her back.
If you don't want to starve to death in this house, just open that gate and bring her
Don't
back.
mind him.
What?
Don't bring her back. Let me see.
The woman that has just called me baby is the one you chased away?
Baby,
Have you called me baby before?
Toy. Go and bring her, baby.
You're still standing here.
Baby. Go and bring her back now. Yeah.
Do you have bank account? Yeah. No, do you have anything? And you're still standing here? Go and bring that my Instagram, bring her back. Hey!
Don't mind him.
Felicia, you are dead.
Abia.
You are so dead.
Yeah.
Hey?
Kill me because of another woman. Kill me, go on and kill me. Look at me here, kill me. Kill me.
Are you not a man?
I said kill me.
Instagram spec.
Yo.
What's going on here?
Hey, famous, my famous, my boy. I love you so much. Hey, where is your father?
You should be in the living room. What's wrong with mommy?
I don't know. Famous.
You too.
That's what mom has been doing.
Liar Muhammad. Move the center. Liar. Liar.
Thank God you are here with me. I love you. I love you so much.
Felicia, are you okay? Is everything all right?
Everything's all right. I love you. I love you so much. I will live with you forever. No woman will come between us. In fact, I can even call you baby.
Yeah?
Baby.
Are you serious? What are you doing? Yeah?
Madam, what did happen?
I love you so much. I love you. I love all of you. What is wrong with my wife?
Do you know? I don't. She's so happy. And whatever that is making her happy is good for the family. Because happiness is what we need in a family. Try whatever possible to make your family happy because happiness is the real thing. Happiness is the real thing.
I love you, my children.
Yes, I love you too.
Nicodemus, what did you say? You love my mother?
Sorry.
Now, did you hear that?
Is she not the fool? The same fool will be managing. You know, you love my wife. And you're saying it.
Because he say he love everybody. He love. I'm in picky. That make me say I love him too.
Let's see.
You are allowed to cancel.
Madam, thank you. Madam, no verse you. I want make you do me one favor.
What?
I beg, if he hug me again, that way you hug me now, I enjoy it.
Are you crazy?
What if are you crazy? Are you mad? Now you hug. When I'm you cool. Everything open eye now hug. I mean that way they don't hug you. They hug you here, hold you sis. Just only one here.
I love you.
No verse. If he hug me again,
Just say hug.
If you give him any hug, Nicodemus, if she hugs you again, you are Nicodemus.
sorry sir.
Can you see idiot?
I don't need to go.
I love you. Baby. My baby. Baby. In fact, you are my baby now. You are my baby. Baby! Baby!
Meemee? Meemee? Ha! Meemee! What did happen? Nothing. I dey here, they watch car. You come out. They dance, they laugh. I dey even dey follow, they laugh. You don't even see your papa as we enter motor. You don't greet am. And they laugh. Meemee? Meemee? You go know. Na mad o. This na brain work o. Brain no dey touch o. What you go do now? What you go do now? What you go do? It's madness o. Hey, you don't mad. Before you go now, you go enter market. Small boy, you think that complete. Yeah, you go walk up. How you go be this one? Meemee mo. Wait. Me?
Oh, God.
Me? Meemee mo. Meemee mo.
God of Israel, Israelite for Bible. God, for church will go. Help me. Eh? Help this girl.
Me?
Hey, problem there for this house. Problem there for this house. Eh? The only thing why they imagine now be say, how Meemee go dey if he comot cloth enter market? How she go dey? How everywhere go dey open? Wow.
Where does he do that? We're famous! 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 Oh.
See your wire. We are see your waza. I must see your waza. Poverty, don't leave me for life. Boru, don't leave me for life. Rising and falling, don't leave me for life.
Famous.
What is it? What do you want?
I need a favor from you.
I knew it. You are so predictable. So what do you want this time?
Mom and Dad have gone out.
So?
I'm expecting a friend.
A friend? A female friend, I suppose.
Not really. A male.
Male friend? In this house? Never again. Never. I will not allow such nonsense anymore. Never. Because I remember how Dad blamed me the last time just for allowing a male friend to come and see you in this house. Please, I don't want any trouble. Please don't get me involved. Especially when Mom and Dad are not around. If he wants to see you, let him come when they are around now. He should come when they are around. What's chasing him? He should come. If he has good intention. Please, oh.
Famous, I already told him about you and I asked him to get you something. Yes.
I think I like the sound of that. So what is he getting for me?
Chocolates.
Chocolates? You and that boy, two of you are not serious. In fact, something is wrong with the two of you. So you look at me, a big boy like me, at this age, you want to buy me chocolate, me? Okay, so it's chocolate he wants to use to get my sister. You see how cheap you are, you see? You are not cheap. Chocolate. It's not serious. If you cannot buy me chicken, you should forget it. Eh?
Chicken?
Yes.
That's not a problem. I'll tell him to get you chicken.
It's like this guy has money. You should just buy Chicken Republic. Okay, don't worry. It's fine. You can come.
Okay. So, dear.
Dear. I love you, sis.
I
love you.
Oh.
Where that idiot? Famous, thank God, though. Thank God say come out now. I don't shout your name, Papa. You know they hear him. You know they hear him. Thank God say come out, though. Meemee, where your sister?
She should be somewhere around now.
Meemee know well. Your sister know well, and they tell you, she know well. She know well. You see that our pastor? We go call pastor, make you pray for him. Brain, you don't they get brain touch, and they tell you.
What happened to her?
I just dey here since they imagine.
What happened?
You know well. And they tell you the movie now shiko don't enter brain, oh shiko. I just dey imagine since how Meemee go dey if she comot her cloth come dey naked enter market. How she go dey? I just dey the thing wey I dey imagine since how e go be. How Meemee go dey? Say Meemee just comot cloth dey naked enter market. How Meemee go be?
God, you dey imagine my sister.
I dey tell you.
Say she naked.
She naked enter market.
Na wetin you dey imagine?
I dey tell you. You know wetin dey happen? Meemee see small na so he carry phone. Wait, they laugh. Only amo, they laugh for himself. He carry the phone, enter here. Me I dey here safe. They even give a signal. No look me. Meemee dey here. Your papa enter motor drive comot. Meemee dey here. I just na play. I call her Meemee for where you not talk to me. Comot. I full on they talk to them. You see they do. No badness. Yeah?
So, for that reason, you began to imagine my sister going naked.
Anybody wey mad, the next thing wey dey happen na to run comot. Go as e comot piam na market o, and as e dey enter market, dey naked.
Anyway, my sister is okay. She's fine. She's just.
She no dey okay. She no dey okay. Na brain wahala.
Nico. She is fine. She's just expecting a visitor. She's okay.
A woman abi, as in girl.
Meemee is not a lesbian, so she's expecting a male visitor, a man.
A man.
Yeah.
A man visitor. A man.
Man, boy.
That's a
boy.
boyfriend.
Yeah.
Meemee boyfriend dey come.
I didn't say boyfriend. She's expecting a male visitor, male friend.
Come on there. What we beg na girl, na woman.
Say boy now.
Boy na boy. Na boy dey na boyfriend. You know say Meemee dey expect boy. Meemee dey expect boy for this compound. He open this mouth wey take dey chop chicken and ice cream wey dey leak. Dey talk am. No. If Meemee come enter, boy, find Meemee enter this compound now. Your papa come show. Wetin she go do?
When you see her, ask her. I dare invite the visitor.
Oh, I dey talk dey comot. I dey talk dey comot famous. Na wahala you dey o. Wetin dey do this boy? Yeah? Hey, oh. Which kind wahala be this?
Nico. Oh, Nico.
No, what be that? What be Nico? Who the Nico? No, Nico, me abeg. See, as I dey here, I don't get time for that nonsense. Who be Nico?
Nico, it's Meemee.
What Meemee? What is Meemee? What is Meemee? Don't me they call you the other time. You look me, just do me like say I carry shit for body. You don't even look my face self.
Oh, Nico, Nico, I'm so sorry. I was so engrossed in my chat. Don't worry, I have a proposition for you. Come, come. Proposition. Proposition.
What could I hear?
Oh, no.
Is
Nico,
it?
Is that that? How come you came back so early? You can show that's my daddy.
Naimo.
This is my house.
Daddy, are you leaving so soon?
There is something fishy.
know my daughter. Once he becomes inquisitive, then it could mean just one thing. But I am ready for her. I came back to collect something I forgot, something important. But maybe today is her day of grace. Like I said, this is my house. I can decide to leave today, and I can equally decide to stay back all day. Who gave you this teacher?
It's my teacher.
You bought it? Live fast and die young. You know what that means?
Meemee. Oh.
Nico, leave me alone.
We know they do am here again. No. What happened now? Eh? See. Tell me your plan now. Because I didn't hear now they hear when they ask your papa your questions. Tell me what your plan be. You understand? This is we the fresh yet live, die young. I hope you are not planning to die young. No, die young.
It's you that will die young.
I go live for this house. Marry me. Now the thing make me dey here. One day will happen. Nico. Maria. Oh, one day. We just say one day do one side. Pray you go carry me. Let's back.
Meemee, I heard the sound of that car. Is it the one?
Yes, he's inside.
That's trouble for you. Like, it's already a bad day for you.
But why will he come back this early?
That's because today is destined for trouble for you. So just prepare yourself, eh? Enjoy. Congratulations.
Indeed, it's trouble for me. But why is it that my dad is always planning things for me? Why?
Hey, Meemee. Is that yours?
No.
That's serious trouble for you. Okay.
What is the matter with you?
How do you mean that?
How do I mean? There is this attitude of something is going on. You've been putting up since I came back. What do you have up your sleeves?
Nothing, Dad. I don't have anything up my sleeves.
And you?
Me?
What do you have to say?
Okay, Daddy, let me just talk.
What's your problem? What is shish? Why are you making noise?
Daddy, I was just trying to sing.
We don't need your song. Just talk to me.
We are trying to sing. There's nothing. In fact, I don't even know anything. It's the same song we are singing.
Why do I have this feeling that there is something some people are hiding? Why? Nicodemus, come here. There is a reason I placed you here, and that is to watch over these children. Why have you not been doing that?
I dey do am. I dey at alert. I dey watch them. I dey watch everywhere. I dey watch. I know they watch that talk now. I know they watch now. I dey watch them now. I watch everywhere.
Watchman,
Open the gate.
Okay. Fine.
All of you must be very, very careful. I don't know what it is you're hiding, but trust me, I will find out what it is.
Bye, Daddy.
You hear them now. She was here with una talk. You hear them with the mouth. Say make I dey watch you now.
Because you calm down, calm down.
Na me dey in charge o. Na me dey in charge.
Because see, a friend of mine is coming to visit me very soon.
Yeah.
I want you to cooperate.
Meemee, say the person where they find you come na girl. Eh? No, if na fine girl, no hala. Boy, if na boy, you see that gate? I know they open am. You know the possible. You dey hear where your papa dey talk say make I dey watch you now. Say wetin make am bring me here na to watch you now. I dey in charge now. So if na boy,
please. Settle with him. This your discussion is none of my business.
Meemee, uru.
Wait.
Wait.
Famous. I don't trust Nicodemus.
So what do you expect me to do?
You know he's your friend. Please help me talk to him.
Nicodemus, my friend. That guy is nobody's friend though. And now that Dad has given him a little leverage, I know of course he will abuse it. And there's nothing anybody can do to him. You were there when Dad put him in charge, so just forget it.
So, what should we do?
We? Who are we?
Two of us.
No, there's no we here. Salvation is personal. Please. Work out your salvation by yourself.
There is will, because if he doesn't come, there's no chicken for you.
Come on. This chicken that we are talking about, I hope it's not when this guy will come that will now come with one chicken that looks sick. I need full chicken. And nobody eats chicken just like that. You should add juice and a pizza or burger on one side. Very important. If these items are not complete, he will not enter this house.
Famous, do you know if he has money?
He has to have money, or he should go and borrow. How will you come and see my sister with empty hand? He does not have money. He's coming here. To do what? To ask for help. Anyway, I'll talk to Nicodemus. And everything must happen here in this sitting room. And I'll be here with you people. You will gist everything here. You talk about everything you want to talk here. You will not go beyond this parlor. Because I know it's not the one that will come now and another thing will not happen. So don't think two of you will go inside the house.
So you stay with us in the sitting room?
I'll stay with you at the junction.
What is it that you think wants to happen?
So you think if something good wants to happen, a boy will come. Any boy that comes, he has bad plans. I know them, so you will stay here. I will monitor the two of you. In fact, you are not even going to sit close to him for security reasons.
That time when we there for a pada, when we dey play guitar, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Like, who be that? Who be that? You the mad? But I'm sorry. Welcome. Sorry. Fine, man. Welcome.
Miss Sam.
Yes, ma'am.
What is wrong with you?
Nothing, Mom. I'm fine.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Famous.
Ma?
What is wrong with your sister?
I don't know. But she says she's fine now.
Mom, is it wrong for me to welcome you again?
Like this?
She's fine.
Hmm? Why are you two policing me?
It's because we love you, Mommy.
Love. Famous.
Ma?
You too.
Yes, true love.
See, I don't know what both of you are up to. But please, I don't want to be disturbed. Miss Homa, don't come into my room for any reason. Do you hear me?
Yes,
I want to sleep.
okay, Mommy. We will not disturb you. Where are you going to? Did you not hear what she said? That we should not disturb her.
I want to use the restroom now.
Okay. Leave it. Silence. This is the restroom.
You get as you do me. You get as you do me. You go. You get as you do me. You get as you do me. Do me. You get as you do me. You get as you do me. You go no. Who be that? Who be that? You don't want? You don't want? Who open the gate? Who be that? Yes, who be you?
My name is Ben. I'm here to see Meemee.
Which Meemee? Which Meemee? Come. Which Meemee? They tell Meemee they here. They say they get Meemee here. Wait, your name is Ben. You don't see a house? You don't see they write Meemee for this gate? For here now, you see any Meemee? Go. Which can be go. Meemee, what is that? Guys! What does that? What is it? You don't enter the couple. Go. You Meemee, you don't the shame. You don't open your hand like this for man.
Nico, see, listen. Don't worry. I'll make it up to you.
Make it for where? Now today you make it. Sorry, I make it. You make it up for who? Now today it didn't like before. Today no be like that. I make it up for me. Respect yourself, oh. Bros, they go back.
All right, Meemee.
See, this is na metal, no be rubber. Na metal.
I know what you want. Huh?
If I drop this in there, then blood go flow.
Oh God, calm down. I know what you want. A labor deserves his wage.
I know you're kind too. I see this guy. I know this guy. You see? You see money? And I tell you, bros, you too much. I know you're kind. You see? we took a one. You see?
One more.
I see.
Oh, no problem. Does he have more?
My man, God bless you.
You are the highest.
All right.
You see this place? The cops still good. See, what if that your name?
Ben.
Ben. Meemee.
Oh,
What is this? See, I see this. Watch me. I don't lock him. Nobody could enter here. You see him? Wow. That's all. Me. K. Meemee, which kind of be this? Eh? Every time man go carry Meemee, they come here, they carry Meemee. When I go come carry Meemee? Eh? Outside I go just they carry Meemee anyhow. Eh? Well, Meemee, here's your. You get that as you do me. Do it. You go window.
You're welcome to my house.
thank you very much. This is the stuff you asked me to get for you.
Oh, that's so sweet of you. Thank you very much. So, what can I offer you?
Oh, no, really. I don't think I need anything. Where's your handsome, cute brother? I would like to see him.
That one. He's somewhere in the house. Yeah.
Okay.
You said you love me.
Of course I do.
Hey, please. No love talk here. How far, where's my package?
Yeah.
There's even apple inside.
Yeah.
He's so cute.
I'm still here.
Yeah, good man. But there's no juice now.
I'm famous.
How can you give me chicken without juice? Who does that?
I'm famous. Manage this one now.
Okay, now no wahala, but you will not stay long. And mind you, I'm standing behind that door. I'm monitoring every move. If you move closer than this to my sister, I will shoot. If I notice any silly move, the bullet that will hit you, you will not know where it's coming from.
Please stop. I want your company. I love your shirt. I love your hair. Even your lips. In fact, I'm in love with you.
Hey! Are you okay? Are you insane? Hey.
Hi. What is it? Are you surprised that I love you? I love you. You're just so beautiful for me. Jesus!
Hi.
What is going on here? Why are you disturbing my sleep?
Good afternoon.
Who is he?
Talk now. Answer.
Who is he?
Are you deaf?
Mom, he's famous, his friend.
God forbid. Huh? God forbid that I will have such thing as friend. This one, my friend, like this. This dustbin, like this, my friend. Mommy, he's Meemee's friend. In fact, he's Meemee's very good, close friend.
Mommy, it's a lie, yo. He's not my friend.
He's not your friend.
He's your friend.
You want to deny him?
But he said he
you want to deny him?
But
Which friend? This guy, my friend. It's not true. He cannot.
Enough. I'm going back to sleep. I don't want to be disturbed again.
Okay, Mommy.
Wonder shall never end.
Okay. Now your mom is inside. What do we do now?
What do we do? Oh yeah, now lie down. Let's do now. Lie down. Let's do. Lie down and fire. Idiot. You're asking me the best thing for us to do now is for you to leave this compound. You better leave this compound. See, I will cut your head. In fact, take your chicken.
I bought it for you.
Take your chicken. But go and give it to your village people. Now leave this house. Now move out of this.
Leave.
If you say one more word,
Didn't you hear my brother?
Leave. Go.
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 Hey.
Hey!
Just go!
14 years imprisonment.
Hey, I did not.
Leave here, John.
Leave.
Leave here.
Leave here.
Forget it.
What is it? What is it?
Let him leave.
Yes. What say the pusher? The pusher like say he be goat.
Let him
Yeah, if not goat, he for better. He's worse than a goat, and he must leave this compound now.
Why? Why? I go leave the compound. Why? You know they go anywhere. I tell you, know they go anywhere. You know they. I mean, stay.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
You're just harsh to me.
I must be harsh.
I have something to say.
I don't want to hear. Every normal human being with sense must be harsh towards you because you are not normal. You are not normal. And if you say one more word, the punch I will give, the punch I will give to you, the punch, your brain will reset.
My brother is very strong. My brother is very strong.
Shut up. We're strong. This nonsense, this bread. You know the loop face? You see, PS, we're strong. This one, my bread. See, he did hand. See hand. He is strong. They're mad. Respect yourself, oh. When I dey here, when they talk, say, if I come on this cloth, I go hate me, oh. Respect yourself. Meemee, huh? Stay back.
This is what I bought for you.
Are you serious?
I don't want. Carry your chicken and leave this compound.
Chicken? Are you serious? Chicken? You don't mad? Go punish you. How person go carry chicken enter this compound? You go allow me the chicken go back. You don't mad? Who does that? How you go carry chicken give person who don't come down? You don't mad? You want me?
Nico, better open this gate and let this boy leave.
No lie. You know
He must leave.
He must leave.
He must leave.
Come open now.
Nico, open the gate.
Now me they charge oh. Remember oh. You know when they talk am. Now me they charge oh. Now me they charge. Person who don't give me money. You see the money you give me 2,000. With this chicken, bros, you are not going anywhere.
I don't want to go.
Good. You know they go.
You will go.
You didn't charge. When they talk, I'm saying they take
Okay.
charge. You did there. You know they there.
Since you don't want him to go, let him stay with you.
Yes.
Let him stay. By the time you see the consequences, you will run.
Which consequence?
Let him stay.
Nico,
Let's
allow him
go.
to go.
Let's go.
Nico.
Let him stay with you.
Which one let stay with you?
Are you leaving him?
Let him stay with me. Bros.
Okay, let's go.
You know they go anywhere. No me tell you say they here. You know they here when I lock this key. Like hey, they forget this thing. How you go? You go stay with chicken. Look at. If they give something for person, they give am for person wey value am. How you go carry something give value? Person wey wear wig. It is not an hair that. Na wig. Nonsense. You idiot. You go stay.
Thank you.
Here.
But since he doesn't want me, I'll manage you. Yes, I'll manage.
Manage me. How? I know you're carrying. But let me then charge now. Let me then manage here.
Okay. But what I'm trying to say is that
Chicken.
I love you. And I want to marry.
I love when we come out. You don't mad? You don't smoke?
See.
No, you don't smoke? Nah man, see, nah man I be, nah man, see beard, nah man. I don't be woman. How you go open mouth, tell your fellow man, you go mad at me, they mad?
See, I'll take care of you.
I'll
I'll pay you.
Go. Go. Hey!
I just
Meemee!
please.
Please.
See, I'll take care of you. Yourself money. I'll give everything.
You are not leaving this house until you grant my request.
And what request are you talking about? I have told you that I'm not going to do what you want me to do. Why are you still making reference to that?
Why? Have I ever disobeyed you before?
Who is talking about disobedience here? I am not talking about disobedience. I am talking about what I already said I will do. Why are you still standing here talking about it? Have you not been listening to the news? That the economy is going down? Am I the one that brought down the economy? Why are you doing this?
That means you are not going anywhere.
Excuse me? Felicia, are you not threatening me in my house?
Whose house? Our house, you mean?
What?
Our house!
Your house? How do you mean?
We built this house together.
Shut up. Was I not living in this house before I married you?
That is what I mean. We built this house together. It's our house.
No. I already built this house before I met you.
It's our house.
Please,
our house.
Stop
I am
provoking me.
your wife.
Stop provoking me.
I am your wife. You're supposed to treat me with love and respect.
Can you define love? No, what do you know about love that I'm not giving you?
When I see love, I will recognize it.
Please, I don't want to drag this thing.
You see this money, you must give it to me.
Do you know what? You have to go and bring a gun. You have to go and bring gun.
Come and leave now, let me see you.
Felicia, I will kill you.
Oh, yeah.
Nigerian, our country, green, white, green. Come. Green, white, green. Nigeria, my country, green, white, green. Come on, hala. Say I become president, I go rule one governor. Nigeria is my country, green, white, green. Green, white. Ah. Are you serious? Na lie. This madam are here for us. Chudeki, since when I enter this house, say they work for the house, work while they work for this house. I never hear madam and oga. They shout like this. Ah! They say that idiot what did they confirm us? You don't cheat for Bible. You don't cheat, use Bible clean ash. Now God go punish that boy. See what?
Who is shouting? This is the voice of Daddy. Are you sure it's not famous? Or Nicodemus? What have they done this morning? This is still morning. It's still early. Let me go and know what they've committed now. All these boys.
Felicia, why are you digging your own grave? No, why are you doing this? I told you I have a place of importance to go this morning. Why lock the door? Are you hiding the key? Felicia, please. Did anybody send you to do this? Are you doing this on purpose? Open the door. I don't want to force you. Don't provoke me, Felicia. Open the door. Give me that key. What's the matter with you, man? Are you okay? Give me the key.
What's happening here now? Daddy, good morning. Good morning, Mom.
No, what is good about this morning? Your mother woke up this morning and started to demand an amount of money she knows I don't have. And I've been trying to explain to her that I don't have that money. She has refused to understand what I'm saying. I'm not a politician. The country is sick as we speak. We all know that. The economy is going down. I've told her that I don't have the money she's asking me to give her. And now your mother had the guts to lock door and she has hidden the key. There.
Where?
Look at where a human being has hidden the key to my door.
Wait, Dad, wait too. I'm wondering why two learned parents who have given birth to adults will wake up in the morning and start fighting. This early morning, where does it happen?
Are you okay? Are you sick in the head? No, are you mad? Didn't you hear what I said about the economy going down? No, didn't you hear that? Didn't you hear what I said that your mother has hidden the key? Only God knows where. You didn't hear that? You're talking about two people that are fighting. Can't you recall what caused the fight? Who is even fighting? Please, just talk to your mother. Just ask her to open the door.
Okay, fine. Mom, how much is this money we are talking about?
Why are you asking how much?
I need enough money to change my wardrobe. That's all, oh. That's all.
Only wardrobe.
Yeah.
To change wardrobe.
That's all, oh.
Not to change your life.
Talk to her.
Dad, you have this money now. Hey, give her.
Thank you, my son.
Come on, wardrobe. Is she buying boutique?
Look at this food.
She's a woman now. She needs to change wardrobe from time to time.
And then you are saying thank you to him. And you agree.
Ordinary wardrobe.
Thank you. Just give her the money.
Wait, mom, are you going to buy these clothes in Dubai?
No, yeah.
You are buying from Nigeria?
Yes, so.
It's even cheaper now. That's just 1 million naira with
I will manage it.
200,000 naira for transport. Give her.
No. If the money is so easy as you are saying, just give it to her. Give her the money.
You see?
I am going to prove to you that I can, actually live without a wife. Open this door.
Daddy, give her the money.
You know what? You know what? Both of you. In fact, I am not married again. In fact, I am going to prove to you that I can live, the fact that a man can live comfortably in his house without any woman. Okay?
Okay, so that is what you want. You stand on your own, I will stand on my own.
Thank you.
Daddy, wait now. Before you go, just give me something now. Something.
Your mother said thank you, and then you agree,
mistake.
and you are sorry.
Daddy, is this separation or temporary divorce? How can you divorce after giving birth to adults? Did I support the wrong person?
Listen, as it is now, this family is divided. Yes, and it is for good.
And I'm fine with that.
Because somebody is not interested in killing another. And then somebody else is not interested in dying young.
Right there.
So we decided simply that everybody should be on his or her own for good. On that note, this your father here, the man in charge, who owns everything, is now on his own. This woman here, your mother, is equally on her own. So we are having this meeting for us to divide this political house along party lines so that you will know where you are aligned with. Now, I want to start with you, Famous. You are the man here, the head of the children. Between your father here, the man in charge that owns everything, and this one here, who are you going to align with?
Well, the question is hard though, but because you are my father, I will answer. First of all, if we look into this matter, Mom does all the cooking in this house. She sometimes washes the dishes. She feeds everybody.
So automatically you are confirming to us in this meeting that your life revolves around food. Right?
That food is important. Everybody knows that. Food is an everyday something. It's important.
Just answer the question.
So Mom feeds everybody. In fact, she can even feed 5,000.
And because of that, what?
So no, I'm trying to weigh my options so that I will not make the wrong choice. I don't want to now follow you and lose. So I'm trying to, be careful what I choose. So Mom handles everything. She organizes the home. In fact, she's the general manager of this family.
Wow.
So it's not like I don't love you. It's not like you are not important. But Mommy is importanter. So I'll go with my mother.
Good for you. I don't have any problem with that. It's your choice. And your choice is respected. Because it saves me cost. Yes, it saves me cost. Meemee, the option is yours and the floor is yours. You understand already what is going on here. This your mother here is a political party now, and I am equally a political party. So, are you going to confirm to us which of the parties are you aligning yourself with?
No, I'm choosing my dad.
Come and sit down here.
You chose your father over me. Hey. Hunger will kill you in this house, you see.
You have just made the wisest decision in your entire life. Let me tell you, starting from today, we are going to be eating outside. The best of things.
Hunger will kill you in this house, you see.
Yeah. So it's now over, right? I want us to understand our lanes from now onwards. And please, let every one of us mind his or her lane. Because if anybody enters my lane, that person is finished. Let's go.
Oh, what of me now? You don't ask me now? You just ask me, Peppers and Meemee. You don't ask me.
Ask you because of who?
I'm a member of the family now. Oh, yeah, I'm a member of the family now.
Your family.
No, the family meeting make all of us there.
Have you been looking yourself in the mirror? Is there anybody here who has this face?
No, this question where they ask me now. No, be what you ask Peppers and Meemee. You ask them where you dey. No, be mirror. Every day I go wake up, clean here, wash car, open gate, close up, sweep, chop food. No, be family.
Who even invited you to this meeting?
Nicodemus is part of this family.
Yeah.
So you invited him?
Yeah.
To this family political meeting? You invited this one?
Yes.
Okay. Let me hear. Let me hear. Okay then. Let me hear from you. Okay.
Madam, no, permission. Please sit down.
Make us sit down.
Okay.
Relax and feel comfortable.
Be fast, please. Between this yoga who sits down here now, who has been sending you a lot every other month, and this one here that you call your madam, who are you going to align with from now moving forward?
Hey, a lot. Organovers. You know, say this question where ask me now, it is difficult. It is difficult past famous own and Meemee own. So just give me small time, make I calculate them well, so that.
What made it difficult?
Sorry, sir. You know, every morning I go wake up, you know, wash car, sweep, wash car, open gate. You go come out, go. I go close gate every morning. Then, madam, they give me food. To make sure say I do okay, I belly full.
So your life is all about food?
Food, you don't put that now. See, you see this your tire why they wash every time. Anytime why they wash the tire, the food, that's what my eye they thought. If I don't chop well, I don't go feed up. And I tell you, if I wake up, see I no chop, this gate, you don't see heavy. You don't open it before. You don't put this gate before. It's heavy. Madam go carry food. Even when Meemee go carry the food come, madam go see carry that one small. Say, Nicodemus, you don't chop in. I go tell say, madam, I don't belly food. That I don't food.
Don't waste my time, please.
Yeah, that's what one. Madam, one knot. Madam, we one knot for there. Then two. Yes, you they send me money every month. You give me money a lot. Money once, just once every month once. Then, madam go. I mean, not once they give me money.
Are you a fool? No, how many times do they pay somebody in a month?
No, once I like the cup. Madam they dash me money every time. Every time madam go come out, you dash me money. Steady. They dash me money.
Whose money?
I know. They dash me. Madam money.
You are under the illusion that whatever money she has been dashing you is her money, right?
The source where money from they come out now. The person where they bring and I get the money. No be allowed to send me. You don't ever give me cash. You don't say carry this one.
You can tell this idiot that we are now running cashless economy. Is there a way you can tell him that I don't touch cash?
Cash.
I send money to this guy every other month. And you're talking nonsense.
3,000, I be allowed to 3,000. If I calculate the money where mother they give me, go don't pass 3,000.
Be fast.
Yes, that is 2 not. That is 2 not. Then 3. Only mother they know when I they sick. When I they sick, and mother they take care of me. I remember one day why they sick. When you come out, come get. I hear when mother they tell you say, leave, you know where, and I believe say that mother night open gate that they close am. You know even come ask me say how far you dey, you know ask me.
And because of that, what?
There is 3 not. Then 4. Okay, I tell you, since when they bomb me, I never chop apple. Now this mother where they here, and I buy apple give me say
chop this one apple, chop am. Even bake me, say, you know, he appease me well. Say bake I chop. I chop the thing, sweet well. I tell you, madam. In fact, in short, now madam I dey follow.
They give you apple, and you got deceived. You know what? Because of this singular decision of yours, that alert you receive every month is hereby cancelled.
Is it not 3,000 naira? I will pay you 5,000. 5,000 naira every month.
Okay.
Are you happy?
Yes. 5,000 and 3,000 look the same.
Have you seen how we are a fool?
Yeah.
Because women will kill you.
Huh.
All the women that made promises to people in the Bible, they failed all of them. This is another failure.
Are you serious?
You are a fool.
Madam,
Don't mind him. I will not pay you. I will be giving you 5,000.
you won't pay me.
Hey!
Thank you very much.
I will take care of
Madam,
you very well.
Nah. You mean say me and you na one?
Yes, now.
We go dey align. You understand? We dey the same side. If you bring a woman,
Yeah.
I will chop together. If
Uh-huh.
I bring, we chop
We
together.
chop together.
No be nah. If you go inside here, nah, you go change. No change, oh. No change, oh. No change, oh. No change, oh.
You know, anytime they try to put sense inside this your brain, to be showing error, access denied, brain rejected,
Who's gonna-
sense formatted,
Who's having that?
sense not needed, you have brain problem.
You idiot! You see what I talk now? So now we dey happy that small you don't dey talk. Go police, you idiot!
You are saying good afternoon. What is keeping you? Listen, I sent you to the wine shop because that is the only place you are guaranteed to buy original wine. I don't want you to buy anything by the roadside and buy whatever rubbish they have just mixed from China. You know what I am saying? That's why I sent you there. And why are you taking the whole day? You are close. Be fast about it, please. I don't want to have you outside this compound. You know what I am saying? Be fast. Come back to the house immediately.
Famous. Nika! We have made
Enjoy
it.
yourself. Drink. Hey, this is a new era.
Wow.
Enjoy. Eat what you want to eat. Drink what you want
A
to
new
drink.
government.
I've taken over.
Yes, sir.
Drink. I'm in charge.
Okay. You know, madam, I get pattern. Yes. I get pattern when they look at it. Make it say I drink here. I get pattern when they drink for inside. So make I carry my.
Enjoy life.
Take everything we want to take.
Famous. Enjoy you. You only live once.
Yes.
Enjoy life.
Thank you.
Ah. Wow.
Thank you.
So life can be sweet like this.
Yeah.
Make I leave this one for you.
Yes, sir. Because I'm expecting some friends. Yes, sir.
Famous.
Invite them.
In this new government, friends, yeah, allowed.
Okay, good afternoon, sir.
Daddy, good afternoon, sir.
In your life, in the remaining days of your miserable life, avoid me. If you open your mouth again and greet me, I will cut off your tongue. Idiot.
What's happening? Listen, you see why I talk to they like drink here? I don't like drink here.
Opposing power.
Relax.
You know this one God nice with me. To say with the I open the drink here, I can great time. You forget.
You not do anything.
This is the winning team.
No, but I beg.
What is happening?
Make I miss the.
Miss what? Keep some now. Keep some. You want to take everything?
Don't worry, allow me. Small time I will bring you a pepper soup.
Keep some now. My friends are
Go. What you
Leave
doing?
him famous. I have enough inside. I will give you more.
Here,
I will remove it from this team. I will remove it from this party.
Yo, ya Allah. See what they remove.
Who is there? Who?
It's Meemee.
Nicodemus. Nicodemus. Come here, my friend. You don't know my voice. Open that gate.
Oga, if you come me with respect now, no say level don't change. Now I know they work for you again. Now madam, what I did now? If they come in with respect. No be you agree there. You say if I open my mouth to greet you again, you say you cut my tongue.
Are you talking to me? Are you talking to me?
We don't divide party now. I know they won't forget now.
Open that gate.
I know they won't forget it now. You know, I know my job now from my house, my caban, kitchen, chop, drink. Now drinking every day now. I drink. You see.
Are you aware that can you are holding came from my fridge? Are you claiming you don't know?
This drink. Now, madam, I give us now, madam.
Listen, don't take your luck too far. Because you're a fool. I am the only one that knows your village. In fact, I know where your father was buried. And if you die this death that you are trying to bring close to yourself, if you're not careful, nobody knows where they can take you. You are going to be buried in the cemetery down there. Don't provoke me. Open the gate, my friend.
Me open this gate. Who there again? Meemee. Who there here? Who be there?
It's Meemee.
Meemee.
Open the gate. Idiot.
Hey, who be that? Who be that?
It's Meemee.
Oh, Meemee.
Yeah.
Make I tell you, Meemee, my job no dey for gate again. Level don't change now. You understand? So, now your papa, now you can open this gate for you. I no go open them. If they hear me, if you like, they hear, Meemee. Now you know. You understand? Nico, respect yourself now. Now, so if you are, you just, what you go do now, to just go open the gate for them. Because me, I know they open gate again. Now, Pierre, I decided, like,
Don't worry, man. Don't worry, man. Don't worry, my dear. Don't worry, my dear. Don't worry. I'll handle it. Don't worry. Imagine that idiot, Nicodemus, telling me he's no longer working at the gate. You're doing good. You're doing great. You're doing so great. That's what I did. Yeah. my living room to sleep.
But I make a sleep now. What does make a sleep?
What is my living room, idiot? Everybody needs food. Lying down here sleeping in my living room.
But does make a sleep? Is it make jealousy? Because our party, they win. Our party, they top chat. We don't three, we don't two. You know jealousy? Never mind, to make us sleep. Anywhere I like, make us sleep. I say make us watch TVs. From there, sleep carry me, gonna beat me. You know what I say? We don't go settle. We don't go settle everything. We don't go settle for this family. We're gonna do it like this because since one of the wash car, they open gate, they close, and they fat. You go there like this. Jealousy. Jealousy. Maybe you talk up. Say que me choose. I choose madam because they jealousy. Thank God I not choose you. Work for keeping. But they wash car. These few days why you have made me wash car, he says he be you. Jealous. He use verse where use the wash car when they beat me. Madam go here. Me when come, I go tell her.
I'm at the outer access door. You need to disable the alarm.
I'm on it. Get Doyle flying in to plant the hotspot.
If I have to, someone's getting tased.
Just get in there.
Excuse me. Hi. Sorry to disturb you. I was just wondering if you could show me where the restroom is.
Amos,
What is it?
I'm sorry. I want to talk to you about something.
Go ahead.
It's about our parents. I'm tired. This division, it's getting out of hand. I want them to be united. The way this thing is going, it might lead to a divorce, and I don't want that for them.
You see, I've been thinking about this lately, and it's been bothering me. I'm tired of the whole trouble, the division, the fighting, the arguments, the nagging. I mean, our family used to be a very peaceful one. Our house used to be a very calm and lovely place to live in. But now,
It's like a living hell.
honestly,
So, Famous, what should we do? How can we go about it? Who should we talk to first? Should we talk to mom or dad?
well, I think we should speak to Nicodemus first.
Nicodemus.
Yes, you have to get his mind to it, make him agree and see reasons with us.
Right.
Thereafter, we can talk to mom and dad. Yes, we must not leave him out of the whole plan because, like mommy said, he's a part of the family. And of course, he belongs to one of the parties. So definitely he has a role to play. So we must speak to him first. Then the three of us can talk to our parents. So,
Okay, if you say so. Then, but please, I can't talk to him alone. You know Nicodemus is a hard nut to crack. You have to go with me.
in as much as I hate talking with that guy, I just have to. It's fine. Let's go then.
Nico, please now, please. It's good for the family, please.
Oh, you're good for the family. No. You don't good for the family now. Because you don't dey wash car, wash am 2 times, 3 times, 4 times. They wash car now, you don't dey good for the family. Eh? Because you know say this since where this party come, na me the thing favor. Because I no want enter this gate again, open this gate, wash this car. You know the possible. Since where this party comes, it divide. What they do in a pure. I go just wake up, bah, carry phone. The press phone, food will come and chop food. Chop food, sleep, play, drink. You understand? I don't open gate again. Nobody they insult me again. I just they enjoy. Yeah? Now you don't they go for family because you don't they wash car. Your body don't they change. If they can't they I beg because I know say if you say make we unite again, I make go suffer am. Make go suffer am. I don't want to open this gate again. As I did that, say, let me so, let me, you, your mother would enjoy our party the way. Abi, what do you want to see? No allow to get you. Forget say, the same mama, the same papa. No allow get you. No allow get you. No allow the CV say make you come, make you beg, make you. No agree. You understand? No agree. You understand?
Nico, I've been thinking about this for some time now.
Thinking of everything.
Yes. See, the trouble in this home is too much. I'm tired of the fighting, quarreling.
Ha! You don't catch him. You catch him. Meemee don't catch him. You don't catch you now. You don't talk to you now. You agree. You don't talk to you now. You agree.
Listen, this matter is getting out of hand, and you already know that. And if it's not properly handled on time, it might just lead to proper divorce, and before you know, the whole family.
No, you are Papa Kosam. No be start am. No be call you say we want divide party, watch your party. If you want do it, me, you follow your mama. You follow am. No be cause am. And you know say since when you follow am, since I know they see flesh. I don't dey enjoy. You know, see. My body don't get pack. Flesh don't come, my body dey. And even they say make I travel go village, make I go show them my body. So I don't dey enjoy. And I won't agree. Make when I cut me go back to suffering. You know the possible. You see this place now? I don't dare. I have a bottle. I could go make a bottle. I know they'll get.
Nico, please, don't worry. About the car and the compound, we'll be helping you from time to time. Yes. Me and my brother.
Now you talk about?
Yes.
You sure?
Yes.
See, will they help me?
Yes.
Will they help me?
Yes.
They help me. Now you talk about? Will they help ourselves? Now you talk about? See, well, you don't wash the car. Wash them 2 times. At least you don't master to wash the car. The famous you go wash.
And from time to time, she will be assisting.
You see where they go? You see this?
No,
you see this is Meemee.
No, you will help him now.
You will assist him now from time.
You will help him.
You say you.
No,
it's okay. I will assist you.
Idiot. Meemee.
I will assist
you. You assist.
It's not a problem now.
You talk. Now you talk about.
Yes.
You there here talk about. You go assist. He go assist. Famous go assist.
I will assist now.
You go follow open gate. Wash car.
Yes.
I don't talk about now. Anyway, well, no. You know, say you don't take way. I won't make we assist ourselves. You understand? You know where they go. You don't take where they assist me. They assist you. You know where they go. You know where they go. Yes. You know where they go. Famous. Now you did here talk about so that we not will take assist ourselves. You understand? But we go allow make a think first.
Nico, please think about it.
No, we think about it.
Think about it.
You say they tire. You know, say come on. Not the tire.
Hey. Come, my friend. What's that?
What be that now?
What's that now?
What be
Why are you holding her like that?
What do you say? The person will say you dey tire. You see that nonsense?
Because she's tired, you are holding her. Clap for yourself. Glucose.
See, famous. Me, I know the joke. Oh, you see that's what we agree now. You don't they open eye and they talk and that thing they crack sense. Mbe. What is your problem now?
It's like you have forgotten that before this division of party, you were the gate man. Once we resolve this issue, but you go back to your factory settings. Gate man that you are, gate man you shall remain.
We don't resolve anything.
Yeah, let's go.
We don't resolve again. No, look at this idiot. Oh, which kind of nonsense be this now? No. What is the famous problem? I know if another person touch it now, you go. What is, because I dey here. I go poison this guy. Oh, no, I go change setting. I know
Yes, Meemee. You sent for me.
Yes, Daddy.
What is it about?
We called you to talk to you about the issues you and Mom are having. We want you both to reconcile, please.
Issue?
Yes.
Is that what she told you? Because I can't remember telling you that I have issue with anybody. What is the issue? What is the issue, please?
Mommy, I called you for the same reason. You see, the disputes and disagreements in this family is not palatable.
Ah, famous. Talk with the person go here. What is talk with the what?
Shut up.
Anyway, for the sake of the uneducated and uninvited guests, what I'm trying to say is the fighting in this family is too much. And it has a negative influence on us. So we've called this meeting so that we can resolve all this matter. It's not taking us anywhere. Okay, now, just look at it now. The issue you both are having has caused the gate man to now become a member of the family, sitting in our family meeting and pressing our remote. Imagine the privilege.
Now what you agree? Meemee, now what you agree there? What did they do you?
Hey, shut up.
Listen, friend, keep quiet.
Listen. Well, if you are certain that you want to reconcile, then you know what to do. They now call it the ladies' ward. We have accepted it. Even when we all know that God created a man first before he brought a woman in. But ladies ganged up and they say it's the ladies' ward. And we said no problem. So if you believe there is an issue and now you want us to reconcile, you should be talking to your mother. She is the one that has something to do and she knows what to do. You know it yourself that I don't have any problem. Both of you know. I don't have any problem. She is the one that has the problem here. So let her do what she has to do and I believe everything will be solved.
Mom, you heard all that said. We want this matter to just end. Please, you have to say something. Say something. It's your husband. You know how to handle him. You know the button to press. So just do your thing. Just say something. Let's know where we stand. Abi?
Mom, please. Mom, please.
Anyway, for the interest of peace, I'm sorry.
Is that what the mother taught you? Is that how to apologize? To an African man in African man's house. Look at how his wife is apologizing to him. And his wife that offended him. You know, can you now see where the problem is? No, are we beginning to see that are not the problem here? Look at her. She's still keeping her leg that way.
Mom, you know this is Africa. In Africa, we have a standard. You have to go about this in a more romantic way. Do it like a full-blooded, well-brought-up and fully baked African woman. A wife material for that matter.
Don't just call her my wife. Oh. She is my wife that I married according to all the laws of their village. I paid everything to the full. I'm not owing anybody anything.
No credit.
No credit anywhere. And she has refused to understand the importance of that payment. Look at her.
And you didn't marry her on promo?
My husband.
You know?
Love is sweet.
Because of this thing you did now. That wardrobe that is causing confusion. I will change it.
Oh.
One time. One hand.
No, I love you so much.
I love you more, baby. I love you. Meemee, just go to my room and bring one expensive champagne. We need to celebrate this moment. We need to celebrate this moment.
Wow.
We are planning to plan something here. Call here.
I'm not going to stand there. You are who plan it, boy. Do I know you? Zombie.
To find to kill you.
My parents are currently you are happy.
You know, sometimes it is credible for the African man to stand his ground. When you stand your ground in your family as an African man, things will fall into line. That's what I did, and my family is back on track. Love is reigning again. You may need to try it. It works. Love is reigning again. My beautiful wife.
Dad, now that this matter is resolved, as the first and only son of this family,
Shut up. Stop interrupting
I know the son.
we
Stop interrupting my son.
Anyway, I would like everything to go back to factory settings. Let everything go back to normal. Everybody go back to your position.
Yes.
That is why the gate man has to go back to the gate.
Which gate man?
He is a gate man. A gate man, you are a gate man, you shall remain.
Which gate man? The
So
man.
go back to your duty post.
Hey.
Go back to the family. My friend, go back.
Duty post.
Sweep the compound.
Madam, what talk idiot?
Go back to duty post.
Nico, don't worry. Go back to your duty post.
Yes.
Idiot! Get up!
Hey, move! Move! Bloody gate man.
Idiot!
Hey, don't walk.
Bring the wine!
In this family, we are one. Feel the drama that's inside. Education of the moment. It's important that you know that we love each other. Nothing can separate us now. We're gonna stand the test of time. Cream Family.